Hello, next episode. I've lost count which episode it is, but yeah, it's in sequence. Fine. This is going to assume that you have a banneton. This version. There will be another version which assumes you don't have a banneton, but let's do the banneton version first. You've got banneton. While this has been resting, while you've been away, I've lined this with rice flour. I've pushed it into the cracks as much as I can, and it's quite roughly dusted with rice flour. I'm just going to put that gently down there because I'm going to need that very shortly. I'm going to shape the loaf now, so I'm going to put a little bit more flour on the top, not much, and I'm trying to keep this side free of flour. And what I'm trying to do here is now create a sort of skin. So I'm going to flip this over like that. Thank you, camera person. And a little bit of flour there, and I'm going to stretch it sideways like that. And I'm going to flip that way. I'm going to fold that over, and then fold that over again. It's not very, just like an envelope. Okay, so that's not sticking there. And I'm going to take any flour possible off there, and I'm going to fold this now down like that, and then roll it up again, and push it down a little bit, and roll it up again, and then gently turn it through 90 degrees. Put a little more flour on the top, and just lightly coat it, and I'm going to flip it over again. So flip, boom. A little bit of excess flour there, get that off. So I'm trying to keep the flour always on the outside. Again, I'm going to roll it a bit. Just squish that in like that. Roll it a bit more, squish it in like that. And then just go on to sort of seam at the bottom. A little bit more flour on the top. Run it in. Now I'm going to put it over onto the flourless side, onto its back again, and I'm going to pull out sections like this and hold them in with the other finger and turn it around, because there should be enough flour on the back, and do this about 5 or 6 times. And what I'm doing, and it's a bit more actually, you can keep going, and I've now got a sort of ball, and all this tension is now on the other side. So I'm going to put the scraper on, flip it over, and there's no flour here. I'm going to use the tension caused by the lack of flour to push this into a ball. Now this is creating tension across the surface here, which will help the loaf become, hopefully, nicely domed when we bake it. So you can see it's a nice tension. You can feel it sort of bounce on it. Right, I'm going to put a bit of rice flour on this now. It's ready to go into the banneton. Put a bit of rice flour, sprinkle it on the top, and then very gently just coat it all the way around with rice flour. And then I'm going to get my banneton. I'm going to slide this under here very gently and turn it over and very gently lower it into the banneton. More rice flour just scattered across the top. Smooth that a bit. And reuse of the shower cap. I'm going to put that so it comes right down the sides, and just pull it up a bit so it just stays up. And I'll leave that out now for an hour, 2 hours, and then put it in the fridge overnight, and we'll bake tomorrow morning. The 2 ways of doing this, generally I find, either you start the process the night before, so you get your starter going the night before, and then make your dough in the morning, and then bake in the evening. Or you do it as we did this, start the starter in the morning, and then shape your dough in the evening, and then leave it overnight in the fridge. This isn't the only way to do it, but this has produced a lot of success for me recently, and I hope it's going to do it now. Alright, I shall do the other version now. Bye!